Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Chipy.com's shop section. In this video, you will learn everything you need to know about the shop, including what it is, where to find it, how to use it, and the benefits you can enjoy. The shop is a virtual shopping section on Chipy.com, one of only 3 gambling sites that host one. The shop is where you can buy cool items such as shop bonuses, avatar items, and even real money items. This rare feature can provide you with many benefits, so don't miss out. The shop offers a carefully crafted collection of items, each with its own unique benefits. Here's a breakdown of what you can find in the shop. Real money items. With these items, you can turn your coins into real money that goes straight to your account. Shop bonuses. This section offers exclusive, rare, and very rewarding bonus offers to your favorite online casinos using your coins. Avatar items. Express yourself and catch the eye of your peers by purchasing fun items from this section. Simply click on the Buy Now button to purchase what catches your eye. To use the shop, simply go to the header of the site and click on the shop section. To purchase items, you'll need to have an account with Chipy.com and engage with the community by doing various actions on the website or playing games in the playground. As you do this, you'll earn coins and experience points, which can then be used to buy items from the shop. However, each item comes with a price and a minimum level requirement, so be sure to check your balance before making a purchase. Additionally, be aware of restrictions on buying frequency, as some items can only be bought once a month. Join the Chipy.com family today and take advantage of the many benefits of the shop. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and we look forward to welcoming you to the Chipy.com community.